Why don't senior citizens do yoga? Because they're afraid if they try to use their Flex card, they'll just bend it. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on Flex card benefits for seniors. Tip 1. Understanding the features. Flex cards often come with a variety of features like points, discounts, cashback, or travel miles. Seniors should familiarize themselves with these benefits to fully utilize the card. For instance, some cards offer higher points for certain types of purchases, like groceries or gas. By understanding the features well, seniors can strategize their spending to maximize returns. Tip 2. Redeeming points for necessities. One important benefit of Flex cards is the ability to redeem points for essential items. Seniors should consider using their reward points to cover costs for everyday items or for necessary medical supplies. This can help save money and stay within a budget. Tip 3. Travel benefits. Many Flex cards offer travel-related features like free luggage, check-in, access to airport lounges, travel insurance, etc. Seniors who travel frequently should definitely consider this advantage. Moreover, redeeming points for travel can make trips more affordable. Tip 4. Paying bills. Some Flex cards can be used to pay utility bills, insurance premiums, and other recurring expenses. By doing this, seniors can earn rewards and manage their payments more efficiently. Tip 5. Thoroughly read the terms and conditions. Different cards may have different rules for rewards and fees. Seniors should make it a point to read the terms and conditions thoroughly before applying for a card to avoid surprise charges later. Tip 6. Regular monitoring. Regularly monitor your Flex card account to keep track of all the transactions and reward points earned. This not only helps to manage the finances better, but also helps catch any fraudulent activity early. Tip 7. Low interest rates. Some Flex cards offer lower interest rates to seniors. This can be a huge benefit for seniors who may carry a balance from month to month. Lower interest rates would translate into lower finance charges on the monthly bill. Tip 8. Emergency services. Some Flex cards offer emergency services like travel and accident insurance, emergency card replacement, and emergency cash disbursement. This can provide peace of mind to seniors while traveling or in unexpected situations. Tip 9. Extended warranties. Some Flex cards provide extended warranties on purchases, ensuring seniors get the most out of the products they buy. Tip 10. Avoiding late fees. It is crucial for seniors to avoid any late fees or penalties on their Flex cards, which can usually be a certain percentage of the balance. Seniors should set up automatic payments or reminders to stay on schedule and maintain a good credit score. Tip 11. Utilizing cashback rewards. Some Flex cards offer cashback rewards on certain purchases. Seniors should capitalize on these offers and use these rewards to save on frequent purchases, such as groceries and gas. By strategically using the card, seniors can get the most out of their cashback benefits.